Okay guys, so I told you that we were gonna draw today, but I don't think that's gonna happen because I realized that I have no idea how to do a graphic novel. So I don't know how to start this project. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is to look for some information. I know it was pretty silly for me thinking that I was gonna sit here and just start doing it with no idea. So no, I think the first thing I'm gonna do is to do some research today. So you and I keep me company, that would be awesome. I might draw something just for fun, but I'm not sure. I'm totally lost if I'm honest with you, but I'm glad I'm saying this on camera because one day I'm gonna look back to this video and I'm gonna be like, oh, I was completely lost and confused. So you're gonna be here with me during the whole process. Maybe you're gonna learn with me, and you can do your own. That will be so awesome if we all get to make one graphic novel. So let's do some research. I have some books back there. There are graphic novels. I think I'm gonna check them out today and I'm gonna take some notes and I'm gonna go to internet to read more about it. So it might be quite a very slow video, but if you're interested in learning how to do your graphic novel, I recommend you to watch this video. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna title these videos differently, so when I publish something that it's about my graphic novel, you know that it's that, and if you're interested in watching, you can just watch that series, or if you're not interested, you can just skip it. I hope you like it and you want to watch. So yeah, let's learn how to do a graphic novel together. Okay guys, I know this video was all over the place and I filmed actually in 3 or 4 different days because I couldn't focus on what I wanted to say or what I wanted to do. But at the end I realized that making a graphic novel, it's a lot of work and I'm not prepared at all. But I'm so glad that I started early in the year because it's something I want by December. So if I can make it before that, it will be awesome, but if no, it's okay. So I just realized that I have to investigate a lot of stuff and like the size I wanted to print, if I want it with colors or just 2-3 colors or black and white, if I want to make a whole book or I just want to make a scene. So I need to check those things out before we start actually sketching. And also I have to write down the story that I want to tell first so I can have an idea of how to draw and express it better. So this video was basically me realizing that I need to study a lot and investigate more. But I think I'm gonna make a series about how I do my graphic novel, and this is the first part, so it's okay to be lost and confused. I hope you watch the next video so we can start this process together and we can learn together too. So thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you next time.